how to view someone's private TikTok account without following. So if you want to view someone's private TikTok account without following, then you can simply first open up your TikTok application. Once you've opened, you can go for the search icon, which is on the upper right. Tap on the search and then you can simply search for an account, a private account. So for example, I'll be choosing this account, right? So this is a private account. This might be a private account. So once you've chosen the private account, now you need to simply take a screenshot of that account, and you can simply go for the username and you need to copy the username. Once you've copied the username, now go back and you can go for the bottom right, which has your profile icon. Tap on your profile and then go for the upper right, which has that three dot icon. Go for settings and privacy, and under settings and privacy you can go for report a problem. Once you've chosen, now you can again go for account and profile, or if you don't have that option, you can simply go for submit a report, which is on the bottom of your screen. Simply tap on submit a report, and from here under the feedback you have to write that I'm not being able to see someone's private TikTok account and please help me with that. And after that you can also give the information, like you need to paste the username here, and then you can also add the screenshot. You need to simply go for the albums, which is here on the left side, and then you can choose the album or the photo that you have just took the screenshot, and then you can upload that, and you need to write that politely. And once you've written the feedback, now you can simply go for submit, which is on the middle of your screen, and once you've submitted, TikTok might help you with that. So that's how you can view someone's private TikTok account without following. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.